Hi everyone, welcome to the Learn Wise channel. As a part of today's Excel Wise series, we would be learning a functionality called as Paste Special. Whenever Excel stores data into a cell, it has two parts. It has a value and it has a format. So let me explain this to you with an example. Let me type in a value 0.21 over here. So 0.21 is the value. Let me try and apply a format to this. Format can be applied by right-clicking on the cell, format cell, go to time, and I'm going to apply the time format. So now what has happened is 0.21, which was the value that I typed in, has changed as 5 hours, 2 minutes and 24 seconds. So what happened over here was, the moment I tried applying the time formatting to my value of 0.21, its nature changed. So likewise, whenever we store any information onto a cell, it has two parts. It has a value and then it has a format. So for example, over here, my value was Excel, but I have applied the formatting of yellow background with font color red. In Excel, there is a functionality which is called as Paste Special, which helps us in segregating the value from the format. So here I have given some examples of the same value which was learn-wise, but in each of these cells I have applied a different formatting. So if you were to copy the cells using Ctrl+C, and if you were to paste them using Ctrl+V, what Excel does is, Excel would copy the value and the formatting simultaneously. But what if I would like to segregate the value from the format? So in such cases, what you would have to do is copy the value, Ctrl+C, right click, paste special, click on values and then say OK. So if you would notice over here, what Excel has done is, from the source, Excel has segregated just the value and it has pasted the values in the cells over here. Similarly, using Excel Paste Special functionality, we have an option of copying just the formatting and applying it to any cell that we desire. So here, for example, I have applied different formatting. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to use Ctrl+C, come to this cell where I have existing values of Excel is amazing, which is typed and kept. I'm going to right click over here, paste special, and then from the option I'm going to select formats and I'm going to say OK. So notice what Excel has done. Excel has copied just the formatting from the source and has applied the formattings over here for me. So using Paste Special functionality, we would be able to segregate the value and the formats separately. Paste Special functionality can be accessed by copying the values, right click, paste special, and then depending on our need, we could either select value or we could select format. If you have liked today's video, request you to like, comment and share. Just in case, if you have not subscribed to our channel, click on the subscribe button now.